Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. As decision making is the most important aspect of almost all the programming languages. As its name implies, decision making allows us to run a particular code for a particular decision. However, the decisions are made on the validity of a particular conditions. Condition checking is the backbone of decision making. The if-else statement adds an additional step in the decision making process compared to the simple if statement. How? If-else statement is used to follow a certain set of instructions based on the result of the decision. The if-else statement is similar to if statement except the fact that it also provides the block of a code for false case. It also provides the block for false case of the condition to be checked. If the condition provided in the if statement is false, then else statement will be executed. Okay. Basically, as its name shows, it consists of two parts. If is the first part and else is the second part. If is used to specify a block of a code to be executed if specified condition is true. Okay, and else is used to specify block of a code to be executed if the same condition is false. If the specified condition is true, then if block of the code will be executed. But if the given condition, same condition is false, then the else block will be executed. This is basically the workflow of if-else statement. If-else statement, if statement is followed by an optional else statement. Okay, if is followed by an optional else statement which execute when the boolean expression is false. If condition is true, then if code will be executed, but if condition is false, then else code will be executed. If boolean expression evaluates to be true, then if block will be executed, otherwise the else block will be executed. Let's consider an example in a daily life. When you want to make a decision based on a condition. Let's take a very basic example that we face in everyday life. If it rains, okay, if it's raining, then if it will rain, if it's raining, then you will use umbrella. Okay, otherwise if it's not raining, then you will not use umbrella. We make a decision of using the umbrella based on a condition if it's raining. In any programming language, these conditions need to be explicitly mentioned, which is exactly what we need an if-else statement. If it's raining, then use umbrella. It's true, then it will be executed. If it's raining, not raining, then don't use umbrella, then this will be executed. This is the syntax of if-else statement. Here will be if, then the condition, statement executed if test condition is true, else statement executed if the test condition is false. If condition returns true, okay, it will returns true, then the statement inside the if are executed and the statement inside the else will be skipped. But if the condition returns false, if it returns false, then the statement inside the body of if are skipped and the statement inside the else will be executed. Let's do this in Spider. Okay, let's do its practical implementation. Here is a number that is equal to 10 if number greater than 0. Okay, if the number is greater than 0, then print positive number. Okay, if the number is greater than 0, then print positive. Okay, and the second one will be the else. Okay, print negative number. The first statement is if that number is greater than 0, then print positive number. But if the number is not greater than 0, then print negative number. Let's do it. Let's run it. It prints positive number. Here you can see that it's print positive number. Why it prints positive number? Because it's executed the if statement. The condition is true. Let's change this sign if the number is less than. Here it says that if the number is greater than 0, I will change 0 with, let's say that 20. Okay, now run it. Now I will run and now you will see the output. Here it printed, here you can see in the result, it printed negative number. Why? Because now the condition is not true. The condition is false. That's why the else part is executed. The else code is executed. That is print negative number. Let's do another example for better understanding. Let's define A is equal to 300. Okay. Then B is equal to, let's say, 33. And then the first if statement, if B is greater than A. Okay. If B is greater than A, print B is greater than A. Okay, B is greater than A. Else, if the second statement is else if it's not greater than, then print B is not greater than A. Okay. Let's run it. Let's do it again. It's giving us error. Yes. Here you can see in the output it's printed B is not greater than A. Okay, B is not greater than A. It executed the else part because B is equal to 33 and the A is equal to 300. That's why the else part is executed. Now reverse the sign. B is less than A. Let's run it. Yes, B is greater than A. Now it's executed the if part because the condition is true. That's why it executed the if part and it skipped the else part. Hope so this video will help you understanding the if else statement.